Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. We've had a pretty gray day all day today. It's actually really warm, almost 80 degrees, but we haven't seen the sun hardly at all. So I guess we're just creeping up on that fall weather, and I'm really excited because I have my November Joyful Jordan box that just came in. So I can't wait to open it and share with you what's inside. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. I love when my Joyful Jordan box comes in for the next month. It's always so exciting. As a consultant, we have a fun opportunity each month to earn a little incentive called Green by 15, and that is my goal every month. So once again, for the month of October, I was able to do that. So I get the next month's Joyful Jordan box for free, plus I get it early, so that means I get to share it with you. So our Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box. You can subscribe, and when you subscribe, then shipping is free. So the box doesn't have any shipping charges. It's $29 for the box, and it's going to have around a $40 value. Oftentimes it's more than that. It comes in this cute packaging. It says, "Hey there," when you first open it up. And on the back, it's also great for shipping it out because it's got the back ready to go. You can just add your address and your return address label on the top, and you're all set. And what I love is you can have a subscription that ships to you each month. So every month you'll have a surprise coming. The box always has exclusive items that are not in the regular Jordan Essentials catalog. It's still our same great botanically based ingredients made in Nixa, Missouri. But the other thing that's really cool is you can have a subscription and change who it ships to each month. So I have one customer who chooses a different person each month. Sometimes it's a friend or a family member. Sometimes she even sends it out to just someone in the church that she knows is having a hard time. So that way she can bless someone else with a box each month of some good botanical skincare that can pamper and help soothe and make life a little bit better. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the November Joyful Jordan box, which is a little box of awesomeness, just like every month. And I'll have everything linked in the description down below so you can see what comes in this month's box and pick one up if you want. This will be available November 1st through the 30th of 2023. Each box is going to come with a card. So this month the card says, "You are the joy to my world," and that's from the Bible verse Luke chapter 2, verse 8 to 16. So I love how the card comes in the box. That way, if you are gifting it, it is a nice little intro to the box. And then on the back, it's going to tell us about what comes inside that box that month. So it looks like we're getting ready for the holiday season. This is a box of 4 products. So this is really cool because you get to experience a lot of our products in a different variety. We also have a special combination of 2 different scents. These are both signature scents that are exclusive to this Joyful Jordan box. So we have the Holiday Cheer Frankincense and Orange Essential Oil Dead Sea Salt Soak. So that's the first item here in this little fun tube. And if you watch the video, I'll link it down below. Nancy, the owner and founder, loves to do these little gift wrapping idea classes. So she did one this month talking all about how you can take some of the Jordan Essentials products and pair them up with some fun gift ideas and some fun packaging ideas and just really make the gift giving process even more fun. So this is our Dead Sea Salt Soak. I would say you could get probably 2 soaks out of this. And like I mentioned, it's going to have that frankincense and orange essential oil blend. So what a great combination for the holiday season. It says on the card, "Holiday Cheer Frankincense and Orange Essential Oil Dead Sea Salt Soak. Immerse your senses in pure relaxation and ease muscle tension in a soothing fragrance bath of frankincense and orange essential oils and magnesium. Pour a half to a full tube into a bath and enjoy." So if you're not familiar, of course you can get the classic Epsom salt soaks, but what we offer at Jordan Essentials is Dead Sea salt soak. So these are actual salts that come from the Dead Sea, and the benefit is the Dead Sea has a special blend of minerals that is only found in the Dead Sea, and so when you soak in them, you're going to absorb some of those minerals that are healthy for your body. Plus, ours has the added magnesium. So of course, topical magnesium is a great way to get some magnesium into your tissues and the places in your body that need it most. So when you soak in a magnesium bath, you're going to have soothed and relaxed muscles. It can help with aches and pains. It can help with relaxation and sleep. There's just a lot of good benefits to magnesium, and we have quite a few products in our regular line that have the topical magnesium. One of them is our Dead Sea salt soaks, but this exclusive holiday cheer scent you can only get, and in this size as well, you can only get in this November Joyful Jordan box. Next, we have the holiday cheer frankincense and orange essential oil shea body butter. So I wanted to open this and just show you how creamy and rich our body butter is. So this is going to be a really thick emollient lotion. It's going to soak in beautifully. I love that we do not use any mineral oil. There's a whole list of ingredients that we do not use, and that means that our products are really just full of everything good and healthy for your skin and your body, but none of that yucky stuff that you're trying to avoid when you're reading labels. So our frankincense and orange holiday cheer shea butter. It says soften dry skin and enjoy the festive scent of frankincense and orange essential oils. Generously apply to skin, paying close attention to extra dry areas. So this would be great after you've soaked in the tub. Then you can use your shea butter on heels and knees and feet and elbows, or just all over your body if you want to really have a deep moisturizing treatment. And especially as we go into the drier winter months, I know that's something that always feels good when I get out of a warm bath or showers to put some shea butter on and just really give my skin a moisturizing treat. Okay, now let's move into this other collection here. So this is called the Snow Place Like Home, and we'll start with a body spray actually, and I'm excited to smell this. This is a new scent for us. So, ooh, that smells so good. I'm gonna just like spritz a little bit here. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I love it. Oh, this makes me so excited for the holidays. So that is our body spray, and it says refresh with an invigorating blend of rosemary juniper essential oils infused with beneficial magnesium for an added touch of rejuvenation. Mist over your body often for a refreshing experience. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that smells so good. I can smell a little bit of the rosemary. I can smell the juniper. It's just a really nice balanced blend of those three scents. I actually think this would be great to even just spritz around the home, especially once we get our tree up. Don't you love it when you can have that scent of the tree that just kind of fills the home or fills the room that the tree is in? Plus, I was thinking this would be a nice spray to have in the bathroom. I like to go around when I change the toilet roll each week and spritz the inside of the cardboard tube, and that way it just kind of keeps the bathroom smelling fresh. So this would be a really good one to do that. You could, of course, use it as a body spray or just a perfume and spray it on your clothing. But I am excited to have something new and different like that in this special Snow Place Like Home scent. And then, of course, the final thing is the same scent in our magnesium hand and body lotion. So here you have another collection. Both of these are going to have that topical magnesium. So you have the benefits of the magnesium, plus you have those good healthy ingredients and this really this refreshing scent. I can smell that rosemary. I can smell the juniper. It's just the perfect blend. So it says nourish skin with an invigorating blend of rosemary, juniper essential oils blended with beneficial magnesium, aloe, shea butter, and sunflower oil to replenish and restore skin's natural moisture balance. Generously apply as an all-over body lotion. So this will be so good. I also love the size of these. So this will be fun if I'm going to use it for myself. I've just got this nice little duo to add to my bathroom and my morning or evening routine. But also think about gift giving. If you were gonna make up maybe some teacher gifts, this is a great one because this scent is just kind of a universal scent. Or these could make really good host gifts if you're headed to a party, or if you're doing like a stocking stuffer kind of gifts, or Secret Santa. Anytime you just want to have a nice little collection, you could gift somebody and have two different collections here. So someone could get the body spray and the hand and body lotion, and somebody else could get the shea butter and the Dead Sea salt soak. There's lots of fun ways you can package these, so definitely check out Nancy's video that I have linked below, and you can get some ideas on that. You could make 4 little gifts out of this. I have seen sometimes my daughter and I will put like just one of our Jordan Essentials products, something kind of small like this, in a little organza bag with some candies and a little note from her, and that's just a great little teacher gift at the end of the year. This is good for your hairstylist, or your favorite chiropractor, or your favorite massage therapist. There's just a lot of ways that this could be a really good set to gift and give. And of course, you can also use them yourself and have some great products to get into the holiday season and pamper and treat your skin to some really good ingredients as well. So that is everything that came in the November Joyful Jordan box. A really fun collection with some unique exclusive scents and products just to this box. You cannot get these items in our regular catalog. So like I mentioned, I'll have everything linked in the description below, so you can check out my website and shop online there. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Other than that, have a good one. Enjoy the holiday season, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.